Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and we are discussing here HTML, and this is my second video. In first video I told you how to install Visual Code Studio. In this video we will discuss from starting to the end of basic structure of HTML page. Without further any delay, let's start. First you have to include an HTML tag name is doctype. It is self-closing tag. It means it does not require to close with another doc type. Okay. HTML. Here it is a simple syntax. In the syntax you specify you are using HTML5, which tells browser the syntax we use. We are managing our thing and manipulating accordingly. And after that it's your HTML tag, HTML, and it is a closing tag. This is a tag that contains all the other tag we are using in it, including head tag and body tag. Head tag we specify the information that browser need to know, and in body tag we display in this screen. You can see what we include in body tag. It shows here, so that's why we include or we manipulate, we arrange the item or tag or element according to our need within body tag. And the information that is in head tag is all about browser, and we give title on head tag. Okay, let's use first is head tag, name is head, or you can use both capital letter and small letter. It does not affect your page because in HTML it needs to know which tag you are using. Okay, then title tag. Here you specify the title. For example, I choose test page and I copy the path of the my page and paste it here. You can see this is a test page, which is the title of our first page. And after that we come to body tag. Body tag is again a closing tag. Here you specify what you want to show. First I show heading, which is h1 tag. H1 tag, this is my first page. Okay, now I save it, automatically save. I choose the option here. You can also do this. Here you can auto save your, it automatically save when you exit or within specific time. Okay, here you can see my, this is my first page, and here we have 6 heading tag: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, and after increasing the h1, h2, it reduce the size. For example, if I use h2 here, sorry, you can clearly see my text a little bit smaller than the previous one. Okay, and after that I told you what is paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is the tag which contain the description. You can say it is a description of the heading and the paragraph, you can say. Okay, so I use lorem, then thousand. It's just I want to fill the my page. Okay, this is how it shows, and the size is little bit smaller than our heading tag. Okay, and it is not capitalized here. After that we close our body tag and HTML tag, which is our container tag. that's it for today's video. And in this video, we discuss what is Doctype, which is tell us our browser we are using HTML5. After that, we discuss HTML tag, which is the container of all the tag, and heading tag, which contain the information that our browser required. And after that, we discuss body tag, which is the content which is display in the here. Okay. And after that, we discuss h1 tag, h2 tag, paragraph tag, and lorem, which is nothing but it's a text for filling the space, nothing else. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.